Lana, let it
go.
Hey, this muskox farm, should I give this to Jessa since she's bringing Lila around?
No, they don't go though anyway. We don't want to waste it when they're... When is the expiration of that?
It's your turn, Joanna.
No. It's my turn.
It expires Halloween, so we'll go.
What year?
2025.
Yeah, so it's not that bad.
4 people, we'll go.
Yeah.
Your turn.
Yeah, they're not gonna go in.
Your turn.
No, it's your turn.
Your turn.
Ano to?
No, Papito.
I puff and a half.
And
I puff.
You can't take this.
Fireside.
I want to get that for Auntie. Now get off me.
Careful.
What?
Ow!
No! Don't put it back.
Hazard.
I'll pot it to you. Move it, Poppy Lane. We'll figure it out.
I'll trade you like $22.
We'll figure it out.
Because it's all I got.
Okay, that one. That's for me.
We'll
Not
split
for
this
you.
stuff away.
Your turn now. Hair flip.
Ba't kaya niya ginagalaw?
Don't touch it.
No.
Just touch this. The sofa.
Ikaw, Magas. Kayo. No, your turn. I picked this one already. No, I picked this. You
That hurts.
ang tayo.
Ni. Ikaw na nga, ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Kung ano yung pinipik ko yun.
Why are you picking those ones? You're turning in Rune Society. You know?
Atong banat. You
That hurt me.
Okay, do it again.
Elbows though.
That's the goal.
No, screaming.
Doyo naman eh. Kung ano yung...
Yung hindi mo gagamitin, lagyan mo sa laundrita, itago ko na. Ilagay ko na sa lalagyan.
Ang dami na naman niyang blanket.
Isa lang?
I do it, Jay.
No!
Ang dami-dami
Yeah, of course.
na.
See, Yulin, just give it to grandma. You don't need all the blanket.
I'm giving to
Ilagay
you.
mo doon sa laundrita, na basta may ribet. Pag kailangan nyo, kukunin.
Hindi, pag may bisita na naman, Pag may matulog.
Oh, look, it's flan. This is not pudding. This is flan.
Man. Okay, game. I go first.
I go first. Do you like the katsu?
Banking naman ayusin mo kasi
I go on in middle.
I'm good.
Middle.
Push.
All right, we better do, when the girls come over, we're gonna have popcorn and hot chocolate. Birthday girl.
Okay.
Why you guys not putting it on top?
Oh yeah, put it on top.
Put it on,
Put it on top.
put it on top.
Signaling where you should take one out.
Sila na naglalaro.
No, you guys cannot play. Make it higher. Make it higher.
Take that one. Yeah. Congrats. Your turn, Joanna.
To make it, if you make it higher like that, you got $20. If you make it higher, Dilana, if you make it higher, you got $20 super chat.
$20.
Super chat.
I have $20.
If you make it higher,
I
though.
have $20, but I'm not giving it to you guys.
Jilana, why you doing two?
No, hey, you need this.
Mandaraya.
My turn. I'm scared.
Diba?
I have a question, Grandma.
My turn.
Where did you put my penguin
Ikaw
blanket?
nakarinig ng pera eh.
Joanna, stop. Joanna,
Let her
stop.
play. Let her play.
No.
Where did you
She
put
heard
my-
the money. That's
How
why.
do you say blanket in Filipino?
Kumot.
Where did you put my penguin Kumu?
Penguin.
The penguin.
The one with the penguin on it?
Grandma sold it.
Feliz Natal.
If you did, I'm gonna cry.
I know how to say Merry Christmas
That
in
was from
Mexican.
Daming kum.
I know how to say Merry Christmas in
Maligayang Pasko.
Remember that in the garbage?
Filipino.